In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from using up local disk space. As cloud storage becomes more integrated into our everyday digital habits, managing how OneDrive syncs files to your device is important for keeping your local disk space free and available. If you've noticed that OneDrive is taking up too much room on your hard drive, don't worry. I've got a straightforward plan to help you regain control. First, let's tackle the OneDrive app itself. Open the app and sign in if you haven't already. Navigate to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, and you should see the OneDrive Cloud icon. A right-click here lets you access the settings you will need. Select Settings from the menu, which should open up a window full of different options. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Account tab. This tab is crucial because it allows you to manage which folders are syncing to your device. Look for the Choose Folders option. This feature lets you customize which files and folders OneDrive automatically keeps a local copy of on your computer. By selecting this, you can choose which folders are necessary to have access to offline and uncheck any folders that are taking up unnecessary space. It's a good idea to periodically review these selections to ensure that you're not holding onto files you rarely use. Now, let's talk about Files on Demand, a crucial feature in managing OneDrive disk space. Return to the Settings tab, where you'll find the option for Files on Demand. Enabling this feature means that your files are stored online, and only the files you select to use will download to your device. This is an efficient way to ensure you have access to your files without them occupying valuable local space. Just remember, files with a cloud icon remain stored online, while files with a green checkmark are stored locally. Another tip is to regularly empty the OneDrive recycle bin. Just as your local recycle bin fills up, so does the online one. This can be managed via the OneDrive website. Simply go there, log in, and find the Recycle bin on the sidebar. Review the items, and if you deem it suitable, hit Empty Recycle bin to free up some room. Additionally, keeping your OneDrive app and your operating system updated ensures you have the latest features and enhancements. This is an easy step that can help optimize performance and sometimes improve space management. With these steps, you can take back control over your local disk space while still enjoying the benefits of cloud storage. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.